shirt with a couple of...
Ken still has that shirt.
Oh God, I remember those.
I have a shirt like that. Has one that looks exactly like
I have one like that. Yeah.
Those were Helly Hansen?
Yeah, Helly Hansen.
Yeah.
You know, you need to give Ken the picture of that. That is the best.
That's a
picture.
great picture.
Remember that one cascade
One meeting?
The three of us, Ken, myself,
Four of
and
us.
You set to
Rich
go?
was there
With the
too.
same
and
shirt.
Rich. We all
Yes,
had the
yes.
same-
And the same hat.
Yes.
Yeah.
They all don't talk about
Straight.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All the Asians look alike.
Somebody's got a picture of that meeting too.
Probably propylene tights then, or wool tights maybe.
Well,
Oh.
That's a good...
No, we had Polypro that really reeked. Yeah. That we bought it.
That was
when we went-
Oh my goodness.
That's Mike Scully.
Yeah, that's Mike
Yeah.
Scully.
That's
That's Scully.
That
That's
is?
cool.
What's
Yeah.
happened to him? Do you know?
No.
Not a clue.
Still at Swedish has a condo at the very north end of Capitol Hill.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, bless his heart. Is he doing well? Let's go.
Hi. With all the
Who's that?
Sky bags.
Yeah.
No.
That is
High
called.
2400.
No, that's Cassie.
That's Kathy.
Oh,
Oh.
Is that a Leavenworth ride? Or
He
Lopez
doesn't look
still.
like
Lopez?
it.
Okay.
no
She
liker
looks so
there either.
little.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're filling
Ken
up.
on the
I
left.
think
But yeah.
that's me.
Martha,
Yes,
that's
yes.
Bell
Martha.
Biker and Protect.
Beta biker shoes.
Yeah, see my Beta Bikers. Well, I still have two
Yeah.
pairs.
Now it looks like
Two
you got
leather
a little
models.
tight,
Yeah.
tight shorts like
See, I think this is my,
Probably.
this might be my Miata. I'm not sure. What year is this? 84. This would be my next
84.
edition, I think.
84, he said.
84.
Oh.
Look
I
at
bet this
both
might
have
fit
the long pump that goes right under the top too.
Yeah.
Yeah, Zeffel.
So
Yes.
is this at the store, maybe the Jordan
Scott,
store?
Hey, Scott!
Oh my goodness!
Was that
That's
maybe at
Scott?
the
Oh my
Jordan
God.
store that
Yeah, I
was
don't
there?
know. And that's the Miata 210.
Yeah?
Scott Doolin.
How do you know that?
Oh, because that's what he.
That's what a lot of people bought after they took our class.
Yeah, we recommended the Miata 210. Rather than tell me they have a choice of all the things, we said buy a Miata 210 or then buy something else. They all went and bought Miata 210s.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
And tell them you want the Tebow gears.
Yeah, from Lloyd Tamura.
Yep.
Gotcha. Good old Lloyd. Lloyd still works on my bike.
Oh, yay!
Oh, I remember this
Oh
one.
my God.
Okay,
There you
Joe
are, Marty.
Mason, Marty, Beth Singer, Bruce, Mike Scully, Kevin and Laura, Neil G. Larson and
Right.
Sally.
Oh my God.
No, the
Russ.
person in the blue helmet, I don't know. I know about
Russ.
Charlie and
Who's
see
way at the
Ken.
top?
Charlie,
There's Russ
Ken,
and-
Scott Doolin.
Is that Joyce?
Oh, Mountain Bike Stacy's in there.
Is
And
that
then
Joyce
Joyce.
in the
Scott,
yellow
yeah.
jacket?
Who's on the top row?
Last two rows I don't
In
know.
the center is Cornudiak. On the far left is the one she did send her the postcard when she was in
Yeah.
Stehekin and just had her drawing and the zip code, and it got to her.
Barbara.
Oh, yeah. She was on
She's
Yeah.
a chaperone on
Always
the
had
kids'
a
trip.
headache.
on the kids trip, yeah.
5.
Yeah.
Huh.
That was